In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert an MP4 file to AVI using VLC Media Player. This is a simple, free method that works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and you don't need to install any extra software or pay for converters online. VLC is best known as a media player, but it also has powerful built-in conversion tools that many people don't even realize exist. If you regularly work with video files and need a different format for editing, compatibility, or sharing, this tutorial will save you a lot of time. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and launch VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open the Open Media dialog box where you can choose the file you want to convert. Next, inside the Open Media window, click the Add button on the right side. Browse your computer, locate the MP4 file you want to convert, select it, and then click Add again to confirm. You should now see your file listed in the selection area. Once your MP4 file is added, go down to the bottom of the window and click the Convert/Save button to move on to the next step. Now you'll be in the Convert window where you choose the output format. This step is very important. Look for the Profile drop-down menu. Click on it and choose an AVI-compatible profile. Depending on your VLC version, you may see options like Video H.264 plus MP3 or similar presets. If you don't see a clear AVI option, you can click the small spanner or wrench icon next to the Profile drop-down to create a custom profile. In the profile settings, make sure the encapsulation format is set to AVI, then save the profile and select it. This ensures your output file will be in the AVI format. After selecting the correct profile, move down to the Destination section. Click the Browse button next to Destination File. Choose the folder where you want to save your converted video. When naming the file, make sure the file name ends with .avi. This is very important because VLC will not automatically change the extension for you. Once you've selected the destination and confirmed the file name, click Save. Now you're ready to start the conversion. Double-check that everything looks correct, then click the Start button. VLC will begin converting your MP4 file to AVI. You'll see a blue progress bar moving along the bottom of the VLC window, showing the conversion progress. Depending on the file size and your computer's performance, this process can take a few seconds or several minutes. Once the progress bar finishes and stops moving, your conversion is complete. Navigate to the destination folder you selected earlier, and you'll find your new AVI file ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully converted an MP4 file to AVI using VLC Media Player for free. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.